In today's digital age, cloning a website has become incredibly easy. And the best part? You don't even need to know how to code. With the power of AI, artificial intelligence, you can clone almost any website in just a few minutes. Yes, you heard that right. A complete website, clone with just a few clicks. Small blue diamonds. So today, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. First, open your browser and go to a website called Same.new. Now, let's say I want to clone the A-ZTech website. All I need to do is copy the link of the original website, then head back to Same.new, paste the link in the box, and type a name for the new cloned version. I'll name it JPILTS. White heavy check mark. Now hit enter, and just like that, the cloning process begins. You'll see how AI starts scanning and reading all the files from the original website. It then begins recreating those files, step by step, updating the code and structure automatically. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice the code being generated in real time. And on the left or under the App tab, you can preview the cloned site's user interface. It looks exactly like the original website, except now it has a brand new name. This is the magic of AI, fast, clean, and efficient. Inbox tray. Once everything is done, you can even download the entire project. Just click the download button at the top right corner, and boom, your cloned website is ready to go.